shift exam.
Over the past few days, thousands of UPPSC aspirants gathered in Prayagraj to protest against the recent changes to the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission's exam format. These exams are crucial for candidates aiming for government positions like provincial civil services and the review officer or assistant review officer exams, and the format change has sparked frustration. The controversy began when UPPSC decided to hold the PCS and RO or ARO exams in multiple shifts over 2 days, unlike previous years when they were held in a single shift on one day. Candidates feel that the new format could lead to discrepancies in difficulty levels across shifts, which might affect scoring fairness. With the exam date fast approaching, aspirants have taken to the streets, demanding a one-day, one-shift system. They argue that having a single shift for everyone would ensure fair testing conditions for all. As the protests grew, political leaders from parties like Congress and the Samajwadi Party have criticized the state government for its handling of the situation, emphasizing that students have the right to protest peacefully for a fair examination process.
लोक सेवा आयोग ये आयोग हो गया है, इसलिए मैं कहूँगा कि छात्र नौजवानों की जो मांग है उसको सरकार को स्वीकार कर लेना चाहिए.
In response to the protests, UPPSC issued a statement explaining that the multi-shift system was a logistical necessity due to the large number of candidates and government guidelines. They also highlighted their efforts to ensure exam integrity by selecting reliable exam centers located near transport hubs for better accessibility. However, in a new development, the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission has confirmed that the PCS preliminary exam for 2024 will take place on a single day. This decision comes as part of the Commission's response to recent state government directives concerning examination scheduling.
सबसे पहले तो मैं माननीय योगी जी को बहुत आभार प्रकट करूंगा कि जो निर्णय उन्होंने पीसीएस परीक्षा के संदर्भ में लिया है, यही निर्णय उनका आरओ के संबंध में भी होना चाहिए. और ये अभी हम लोग की अर्ध जीत है. पूर्णतः जीत तब होगी जब ये आरओ के तहत जो निर्णय इन्होंने आरओ के संबंध में अगर ये ले लेंगे तो हमारी पूर्ण जीत.